Sessions. Hey guys, Tom Red here. Just wanted to touch base with you and continue our discussion on the Success Challenge. That's for affiliate marketing, for those that are interested in doing affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, as we all know, is where you don't have a product, you don't have a service, you don't have to handle any customer service or anything for the actual company. And what you do is you promote their product and service, and they pay you a commission once somebody purchases those products or services. So it's a great way to get involved with marketing, making hopefully some money. Big disclaimer, my results are not typical. Your results may not be typical either. It depends on whether you do anything or not. There you go. Now I said it. Let's get back into it. The Success Challenge. The first one, session one, we already went through. Setting up your goal cards. Still make sure you guys get your goals written down, not just, but actually written down. So we're going to talk a little bit about paradigms and how the shift is going on right now. With everybody working from home, with the crazy virus thing, quarantines, who knows what's going to happen. A lot of people are working from home remotely right now, whether they'll still be able to keep their jobs. Homeschooling, the kids are all home from school too. So, wouldn't it be great to have something you could do directly from home so that you could be around? So we're on one right now. That we got 13 principles to kind of look at and where we are and how we're going to accomplish this. One of the major things is you become what you read as well. So Think and Grow Rich is a book that's been out there for a long time and it's helped out a lot of people. I've read it before, and Earl Nightingale takes some good things about this and about the whole system of Think and Grow Rich. Just wanted to kind of touch base with you on that. You can, on the bottom here, like, dislike, subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. Set up notifications so you can hear when I'm coming back on. If you need some help with this affiliate marketing thing, this is some training that's invaluable. It's up to date, fresh, ready to go. Something that you can use in the real world today. So I'll leave a link down below where you can go ahead and check it out. You can set up a free account as well and kind of dance around it, look and check some things out. You can also hit me up. I can answer any questions for you. So we're gonna next probably get into well, I don't think we need to do a heart-to-heart. I think you need to have a heart-to-heart on your own. So affiliate marketing, this is training. This is not an MLM. This is not a business. This is strictly a product, a affiliate marketing training product for you. So talk soon.